calm down.
So, no, fuck all of you! You really gonna ruin my fucking life? I'm gonna
Is this how a regular person acts?
No!
No, it's not. You're
no,
right.
But you're fucking trying me for no goddamn fucking reason.
The car.
I am facing the goddamn fucking car.
Turning around on
Go ahead and spit your gum out.
You have gum. Spit it off to your right side, please.
Fuck all of you.
On September 28th, 2025, a routine speeding stop in South Florida turned into a full DUI investigation, then a contested arrest, all caught on body camera. Forget the play-by-play. The real story here is legal. How far an officer can push a stop and what actually holds up once a lawyer gets involved.
Hi.
Hi, good evening. I'm Officer Flink. The reason I'm pulling you over, you're speeding.
I'm sorry.
Do you have your license, registration, insurance? You were also following that car like really close. You were like a half a car
He
length
was
off.
swerving in front of me. Truthfully. Swear to God. Sorry.
Where are you headed to?
I'm going to my friend's house off of, Blue Heron.
Blue Heron?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your insurance also?
I do. Well, I have my registration.
That's fine.
They were kind of like erratically driving too, I know. Like,
I didn't see that. I was behind you, behind them. I would have seen if they were all over the road.
Yeah, well, I was on the phone. Sorry.
Alright.
I was texting and driving. I'm not the best at that, I'm sorry.
Alright, perfect. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
No.
Nothing at all?
No.
Alright, have you had any narcotics or anything?
No, sir.
You feel alright?
Yeah.
Alright, give me 1 second.
This is Sergeant Mike Bell. This is my dad.
Sergeant Mike.
Can you're on speaker. Hold on a second. You're on speaker.
Who's
Who's he? What's the relation?
He's my stepdad.
your stepdad?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mike, you're on speaker.
So,
Okay.
why is he on the phone?
Because you're, I don't know. I freak out when I get. I've not been delivered in so long.
Alright, well, I mean, we didn't give you any reason to be freaked out.
Okay.
So,
I'm just letting you know that I have him on just for me, for my safety.
okay, well, we have body cameras for our safety, so
Okay.
yeah, you're entitled to have him on the phone. So, Krista, listen, I don't think you're being entirely truthful with me that you haven't had anything tonight.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm a little worried you might be under the influence. So if you would go and step out, we'll do some standardized field sobriety exercises and have you on your way, alright?
Okay.
Alright, so come on out.
All right. I'm sorry. Okay.
See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Alright, so come on over here for me. Do you have any medical condition with your eyes not corrected by glasses?
No, sir.
Do you have any medical condition which prevent you from walking a straight line?
No, sir.
Any medical condition prevent you from balancing on one foot?
No, sir.
Do you know? See what he wants?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Tell him give me like 2 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and check your eyes out. Bring your feet together, hands at your sides. Do you see this white light?
Yes, sir.
You're going to follow the white light with your eyes only. You're going to keep your head still. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Alright, if you would just hang out with this officer real quick.
Yes, sir. There was a guy in front of me who was kind of erratic, and I'm going to meet my friend, and honestly, I knew he was
That guy wasn't erratic. I was behind
He
you.
wasn't erratic.
I would have seen it. I would have seen
He was
him.
literally swerving in front of me. I
No,
swear to
you
God.
were-
And I got a mother to fight you on it, but I swear to God on my mother's life right now. My dad's dying of ALS.
Well, it might have been your
Disease.
perception. It might have been your perception that they were driving crazy, but I was behind you, behind them, and I didn't see anything.
And I apologize if I was the wrong person.
All right, so Krista, if
Yes,
you would
sir.
go to this side, place your left foot on the line, and place your right foot in front, heel touch and toe. Arms down to your sides. All right, now hold that position. Don't start until I tell
Can I
you.
take my shoes off?
Yeah, that's fine.
Because these are very...
Yeah. All right, so again, left foot, right foot in front, heel touch and toe. Go ahead.
Okay, can I pull my tits back so I can...
Yeah, do what you gotta do.
So what do you want me to do? One foot in front of the other?
Yep, touching just like mine are.
And what do you want me to do? Do you want to do a pivot? Or
Well, no, I gotta explain it, but I can only give you instructions when you're in the starting position.
Okay.
So go ahead and
Am
get
I
in the starting position.
position?
No, this is the starting position. So left foot, right foot in front, arms down to your sides. All right, now hold that position. Don't start until I tell you.
So when I start at my leisure,
Well, no, not at your leisure when I tell
So
you
it's
to.
at your.
I got to tell you to
Please
begin.
don't be rude. Please come on.
No, I'm not being
I'm
rude.
honestly like good to go. I was literally drunk.
Time out. I'm not being rude, but
shocked
these
that you're not behind
Time
the
out.
person that I was like.
Time out. Okay, I'm doing the investigation.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
driving the car right now.
Absolutely.
These exercises are standardized,
Yes.
and he will be witness to that.
Okay.
They are done a
Officer,
certain
what's
way.
your name? Officer what?
He is Officer Khan. He is a
Khan?
drug recognition expert.
Okay, and you're, what's your name?
I'm Officer Flink.
And I
we
want
are
your
both
badge number.
514, and that's the last time I'm going to tell you, okay? These exercises are done in a certain manner
Yes,
because
sir.
they are standardized. It doesn't
Yes,
matter
sir.
if you're doing it here in South Florida or in Juneau, Alaska. They are done the
Okay.
same way. And please put your phone away. We're in the middle of an investigation.
Well, my stepdad's calling me.
Okay, well, he should know that we're in the middle of investigation. Okay? So they are done in a certain manner. I can only give you instructions when you're in the starting position. And you do not start at your leisure. You start when I tell you to. That is the standardization of
Yes,
these
sir. Yes,
exercises.
sir.
So please go ahead and get back into the starting position.
So 1 foot.
Left foot, and then right foot in front of it, heel touch and toe.
Okay.
Arms down at your sides. So what questions did you have? And I will explain it to you.
I wanted to ask you, so when I do the 9 steps and then I pivot, I can do like this type of thing?
No, you do the turnaround that I showed you. So go ahead and get back in the starting position and I'll show you. Okay, so you're going to take your steps.
First foot.
No, go ahead and get in the starting position. Arms down. All right, so it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way up till 9. Now you imagine, stop, I didn't tell you to start.
Correct.
Once you get to your 9th step, go ahead and get back in the starting position for me, please. Starting position. There you go. Once you get to your 9th step, your feet are going to end up just like this. You're going to leave that front foot where it's at. You're going to take a series of small steps to turn around. Then you're going to take your 9 heel to toe steps back. Okay? It's important that once you start, you don't stop. Keep your arms down at your sides. Count your steps out loud.
18 steps front and back, but I'm doing a little pivot.
9 heel to toe steps. The turnaround I showed you. 9 heel to toe steps back. It's important that you keep your hands down at your sides the entire time. Once you start, don't stop.
Okay.
Be sure to count out loud. Go ahead and bring your hands down to your sides. And look down at your feet as you walk.
Okay.
Do you have any other questions?
No, sir.
Go ahead and begin.
So, is this 1?
That is not 1. Good question, but that is not 1.
Is this 1?
Not yet. When you take a step, it's 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm at 9.
Uh-huh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, excellent. All right, so this next exercise is going to be the 1 leg stand. So let's switch spots so that you don't have traffic distracting you as they drive by. Go ahead and stand right where my flashlight's at.
Correct.
All right, go ahead and bring your feet together, hands at your sides. All right, now hold that position. I'm going to explain the exercise to you, then I'm going to demonstrate it, so hold all your questions till the end.
Okay.
When I tell you to begin, you're going to raise 1 foot, either foot, bring your hands down to your sides. Do me a favor, 12. You're going to raise 1 foot,
Can I get
either
out of
foot.
the light though? It's like straight.
I'll turn the light off. Just stay. All right, so go ahead and face this way again.
Correct.
All right, so go ahead and bring your feet together, hands at your sides. All right, when I tell you to begin, you're going to raise 1 foot, either foot, approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's about the height of a soda can.
My fat ass is gonna do that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. All right. It's about the height of a soda can. While you're doing that, you're going to keep both your knees straight. You're going to point the toes of your raised foot out at me. You're going to look down at your raised foot, and you're going to count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop.
Can you do a demonstration?
I will
please?
demonstrate it. All right, but I got to give you the full instructions first.
Thank you.
All right, the entire time, you're going to keep your hands at your sides.
Correct.
All right, and if you place your foot down, you're going to pick it back up and continue where you left off.
Okay.
So it's going to go just like this. Watch me. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, and so on until I tell you to stop. You see how both of my knees are straight?
Yeah.
You see how my
but
toes
your
are pointed out?
shaking.
You see how I'm looking down at my feet?
Yeah.
And I got my hands at my sides?
Correct.
That's all you got to do for the whole exercise.
Amen.
Okay, so just because I'm shaking's actually not an indicator of impairment.
Okay.
Okay?
Correct, yeah.
So go ahead and bring your hands down to your sides.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
255 pounds isn't going to do that? Okay.
There's not enough data to support whether people being overweight affects these exercises.
Okay, well, I'm extremely overweight, and I think that's going to affect it. However,
okay, well, you can
fine.
think that, but the scientists and all the doctors and people that come up with these exercises, they don't agree with you.
Okay, I'm going to
Okay,
school
do you
for
have any other
nursing.
questions?
No, sir. So when do you want me to start? And then
Right now.
Which foot?
Whichever foot.
1001, 1002.
Make sure you're looking at your foot.
1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020, 1021, 1022, 1023, 1024, 1025.
All right, you can place your foot down. All right, for this next exercise, you know your left from your right?
Correct.
All right, so go ahead and bring your feet together for me. Go ahead and point your fingers just like this. Palms up. Thumbs in. There you go. And then just drop them down to your sides with your pinkies touching your sides.
I can't really touch that when I'm fat. I'm sorry.
Just straight down.
I swear to God on my mom. Like, I don't know.
Now hold that position. Don't start until I tell you. When I tell you to begin, you're going to tilt your head back and you're going to close your eyes. Not yet, when I tell you to. And I'm going to give you a series of commands of left and right. When I give you the command of left, you're going to extend your left hand out and touch the tip of your finger to the tip of your nose and bring it back down. When I say right, you're going to do the same thing. Touch tip to tip, bring it back down. It's important that you keep your head tilted and your eyes closed the entire time. And as soon as you touch your nose, you bring your hand back down.
Okay.
For argument's sake, these are the tips of your fingers. The little dime-sized piece right here in the front is the tip of your nose.
Right
No,
here.
don't touch your nose. Bring your hand back down. Okay, so right here, the little dime-sized piece is the tip of your nose. These are the tips of your fingers.
Correct.
Do you have any questions about what I instructed?
No, sir. I just want to know, when you say left and right, which is your left and right? Like anatomy? Like this is my left, this is my right.
You're only
Right?
left and you're only right.
Okay, I
not
don't want
my
you to,
left.
I don't want
your
you
left.
to like be like, oh, okay, so I did this one and it's not the right one. You know what I mean?
No, it's your left and your right.
So my, okay.
Not me. Okay?
So anatomy way, like this is my left,
the only,
this is my right.
The
So,
only left and right that exists.
correct,
I don't know
but
like
some
what you're
people,
asking.
if you're looking at me, this is my left, this is my right.
No, I
Correct?
told you whatever your left and your right is. Not my left and right, your left and right.
So this is my left, this is my right.
Correct. You're only left and you're only right.
Okay, perfect.
Any other questions?
No, sir.
All right, go ahead and begin. That means tilt your head and close your eyes.
You said tilt my hand?
Tilt your head back and close your eyes. Left. Bring it back down. Tilt your head. Right. Bring it back down. Keep your eyes closed. Left. Bring it back down. Right. Bring it back down. Right. Bring it back down. Left. Bring it back down. Balance or alphabet?
Balance.
All right, so for this next exercise, you're gonna stand with your feet together, hands at your sides. When I tell you to begin, you just had them at your sides. You told me you couldn't do it at the sides, there you go. All right, when I tell you to begin, but you were there though. When I tell you to begin, you're gonna tilt your head back and, can you count to 30?
1, 2, 3.
No, can you though?
Correct.
Okay, correct or yes?
When he
Yes,
says
sir.
30,
Okay.
like 30 seconds on the clock.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So when I tell you to begin, you're gonna stay just like that, hands at your sides. You're gonna tilt your head back and you're gonna close your eyes. And silently in your mind, you're gonna imagine 30 seconds going by. However you want to count, doesn't
Okay.
matter to me. Once you believe 30 seconds have elapsed, you're gonna open your eyes and say stop.
Okay.
Pretty simple, right?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions about that? All right. Let me set a timer here.
Do I say, like, do I count 30 seconds, or I'm just in my head thinking it?
You can count it, but it's got to be quiet. So it's got to be silent.
So you
however
cannot-
you want to count.
Okay.
We shouldn't be able to hear you.
All right.
Okay?
Correct.
Any other questions?
No, sir.
All right, bring your hands to your sides. Look up, close your eyes, and begin. That was 25 seconds. At this time, you are being placed under arrest for impaired driving.
Are you serious?
Very serious.
Go ahead and bring your hands behind your back.
Are you joking?
Why would I handcuff you if I'm joking?
Well, how am I being arrested?
For impaired driving.
How?
Traffic 15, so traffic 15 signal 1.
I did every single road possible.
You did them, but you exhibited indicators of impairment while you were doing them.
No, I did not.
All right, so this is Officer Clayton. She's going to give you some instructions. Go ahead and call
literally did
10-7, and
nothing
if you want to do
wrong.
that 4, you can go out there.
I did nothing wrong.
You exhibited multiple indicators.
No,
of
I did
impairment.
not. I
You
literally
certainly
did nothing wrong. Are you fucking kidding
exhibited
me?
multiple indicators of
Are
impairment.
you joking right now?
So go ahead and listen to Officer Clayton right now.
Are you fucking kidding
Let's
me?
go over here.
Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? Wow, what a piece of fucking goddamn shit you are.
Okay, so we're gonna pay attention, please.
No.
Say what?
We're gonna pay attention, please. You're gonna
Yeah.
face the car.
Are you fucking kidding me right now?
Yeah.
Oh
Face the
my
car.
fucking god.
You have anything you want to just call here?
No, can you call my stepdad right now?
No,
Can
you're
you
an
please-
adult.
Calm down.
So, no, fuck all of you! You literally gonna ruin my fucking life. I'm gonna
Is this how a regular person acts?
No!
No, it's not. You're
Yeah, but
right.
you're fucking trying me for no goddamn fucking reason.
The car.
I am facing the goddamn fucking
Turning
car.
around on
Go ahead and spit your gum out.
You have gums, put it off to your right side, please.
Fuck all of you.
I don't have my car.
Okay, I just uploaded your fucking partner.
face the
God, I wish I
Stop
would've.
turning around.
Literally, my dad's dying of ALS. My mom's gonna fucking fucking fuck all of you. I hope all your families. I hope you guys have kids and they fucking die. Honestly.
You're a horrible
Wow.
person.
Yeah, good.
You're a horrible
Wow.
person.
Good.
You're gonna be a great
You think
nurse.
my fucking
Face
dad?
the fucking car.
No. Fuck you.
I'm tired of people
Fuck
tonight
you.
not listening to what I tell them to fucking do.
Hey Siri, call Michael.
No, don't do that. We're gonna turn
Yeah.
this phone off. We're gonna
Okay,
turn this
good.
phone off.
I'm sick and tired of your fucking people fucking not doing the right thing. You fucking nasty bitches.
Hoping our
All you
kids
want is
and you want to
fucking
be a
money.
nurse.
Yeah.
That'd be crazy if they
I hope
found
you
out.
don't ever take care of anybody that I
Yep.
care about.
Good.
It's gonna be a shitty
I
nurse.
hope you never fucking come anywhere near my
I hope I
fucking
don't ever see you
family.
again.
Good.
You ain't gonna be no nurse doing that.
Okay. You're never gonna be a fucking successful motherfucker.
I'm already successful
You're
with
not.
that slurred speech.
All you do is fucking make
Be
money off
still
fucking fucking other people's
and
lives
be
up.
I get
Yeah.
paid the same whether I'm making an arrest or not.
You're a fucking piece of shit. Yeah, you're
Do I have a
trash.
mirror on my face? Is that why
No,
you're
but
saying that?
You're a fucking
I must
piece
have a
of
mirror
shit.
on my face if you're saying that.
You're a piece of fucking shit.
Yeah, this mirror is really looking right back.
classy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
If you would like to maintain a possible career, I would strongly advise you not talk any further.
Yeah.
You're going to hurt yourself.
Remember, these
severely.
videos are public record, and if the
Good.
nursing board sees that, I don't think they're going to like you talking about hoping kids are dying
Yeah.
and
You're
selling
Okay,
out.
cool.
in college right now. You've made some very poor choices tonight.
So you're gonna literally, okay. Can you have my mom come get my car at least?
No! You're over here calling me a piece of shit, and you want me to tow your car or give your mom your car? No
Where are you
chance.
going?
I don't know.
You got no
let me explain
chance.
something to you. You're not in charge here. You do what I tell you to do or what they tell you to do,
Oh my God,
or
I'm
things are not
so-
going to go.
I cannot believe this happened.
Believe it, it's happening.
You're actually
Hang on a
gonna fucking
second.
arrest me? I can't fucking believe this.
A traffic stop only covers what it's actually for. Once the officer wraps up the original reason he pulled her over, he needs a fresh reason to keep going. That standard comes from Rodriguez versus United States. Here, the fresh reason was thin, a hunch she wasn't being honest about drinking, plus a call to her stepfather on speaker. Courts have upheld stop extensions on less than this. Still, it's not a strong record, the kind of thing a defense attorney would push on first. Only 3 of the field sobriety exercises actually carry validated scientific weight in court: the eye test, the walk and turn, and the one-leg stand. Everything past that, the finger to nose, the eyes closed clock test, comes from a separate drug recognition protocol. Real training, but different evidentiary weight in court. None of the roadside questioning needed a Miranda warning. Questions asked before an arrest generally aren't treated as custodial interrogation. That's settled law, going back to Berkemer versus McCarty. Once the handcuffs go on, that protection kicks in. But her outbursts afterward weren't answers to questions, and volunteered statements don't need a warning to be used against you. Then there's the refusal charge, and this is where the case gets expensive. Florida treats a first refusal to test as one thing. A second refusal is a different category entirely. A second refusal is a criminal misdemeanor, not just a license problem. That distinction alone probably shaped her sentence more than the DUI charge did. Refusing the test doesn't violate any constitutional right either. The Supreme Court settled that decades ago. In Neville, prosecutors can use the refusal itself as evidence of guilt. Grade for the officer here: B+ solid procedure, calm under real provocation. The one weak spot is how thin that stop extension really was. Grade for Krista: D, no physical resistance, and that counts for something. But every word after the handcuffs went on worked against her, not for her. The lesson here isn't really about the language she used. It's about timing. Anything said after an arrest is fair game, and silence never costs you a thing. Know the difference in field tests? 2, the standardized 3 are optional. The extra ones from a drug recognition officer won't save you either way. Tell us which case you want broken down next. Subscribe for more body cam analysis that goes past the footage and into the fine print every time.